think you don't like chicken livers? Give this recipe one try and you will just change your mind. Tender, flavorful, and full of color. This stir-fried chicken liver is quick, simple, and absolutely delicious. Hi everyone, welcome back to Lu Cookbook. Today, we are cooking chicken livers, rich in vitamin A, B12, and iron, and so satisfying when done right. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep the vegetables. Slice ginger and garlic thinly. Here I use pre-grounded ginger. Cut scallions into 1-inch pieces. Then slice chili pepper, green peppers, and red onion. These add color and brightness to the dish. Step 2. Prep the chicken livers. Cut the chicken livers into thick slices. Rinse a few times under cold running water. Then soak them for about 20 minutes. This helps remove any leftover blood and gives a cleaner flavor. Next, heat water until it's hot but not boiling. Blanch the liver slices for just 30 seconds, then remove and set aside. This quick blanch keeps them tender and removes any gamey taste. Step 3. Make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a splash of dark vinegar, a pinch of salt, sugar, and black pepper. Stir well. This is the flavor base for the dish. Step 4. Stir-fry the vegetables. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a hot wok. Add ginger, garlic, and green onions. Let them bloom for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add red onion, chili, and green peppers. Stir-fry on high heat with a pinch of salt. Just 1 minute so the vegetables stay crisp and bright. Then remove and set aside. Step 5. Cook the chicken livers. Add a little more oil, then toss in the chicken livers. Stir-fry quickly on high heat until they start to brown. Pour in your sauce. Listen to that sizzles. Isn't it amazing? Stir everything together for about 30 seconds to let the liver soak up the flavor. Now, add the vegetables back into the wok. Mix well for another minute. Everything should be glossy and beautifully coated. And that's it. Fried chicken livers with colorful vegetables. The veggies stay crisp and the livers are soft and rich, and the sauce ties everything together perfectly. Serve it hot with fresh rice. Simple, vibrant, and packed with flavor. Have you ever cooked chicken livers before? Let me know your favorite way to make them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I will see you next time on Lu Cookbook.